much as we appreciate your contribution so far and what you have done for us, you have so much to do. You must take IDs and register as voters and turn out to vote. Your vote is what will count in this country. It is the Gen Z and the millennials who will determine the next leadership of this country. I want to affirm that you have done very well. I want to say congratulations. I want to thank you for your patriotism, the love for your country and for your motherland. But you haven't achieved what must be done. Please take your IDs, register as voters, and come out and vote. And take part in the decision-making process of this country. Take a very important role in determining the next leadership of this country. Our young people, this country is in your hands. We depend on you. I really plead with you. Please don't just stay behind the smartphone. Go a little bit further. Register as a Kenyan, have an ID, and register as a voter. And when the D-Day comes, by 3 a.m., be on the queue and vote. And guide your parents on how to vote. You are more knowledgeable than we are. You have better perspective of what is happening in the world. You know much more than we do. You have more exposure. Through their own.
Your Excellency, we lost you. We lost you a few seconds ago. So maybe
Likewise.